Forgiveness may not be easy, but it's really a gift you give yourself. It's a way to obey Jesus. Remember his prayer. Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they're doing. When we don't forgive, it's like carrying around a backpack full of rocks. It's heavy and slows us down. Forgiveness may not be easy, but it's really a gift you give yourself. Sometimes the other person won't even feel bad about what they did or how they hurt you. You might even need to forgive yourself for something you said or did that hurt you or someone else. Forgiveness may not be easy, but it's really a gift you give yourself. You can ask Jesus to help you forgive. Since God will forgive, we need to forgive too. That doesn't mean to let someone keep hurting you. It means to stop holding it in your heart and mind. When you forgive, it's like setting down